Hello, are you looking for the evidence and analysis you need when writing about the character Tybalt? Well, look no further. The aim of this video is to provide you with all the information you need to help you achieve the very highest marks when being asked to explore Tybalt in a tragic play, Romeo and Juliet. What we'll do now is run through a plethora of key quotes and analysis that you can include. So let's begin. Talk of peace. I hate the word as I hate hell, all Montagues, and thee. The repetition of Alexis' hate indicates that Tybalt is a fiery character full of anger. It also helps to foreshadow why the character is unforgiving when it comes to the actions of anyone associated with the Montague family. So Mercutio's death is obviously linked to this. The interrogative sentence suggests that the character doesn't understand the notion of peace or is incredulous to the actual thought of it itself. Boy, they shall not excuse the injuries thou hast done me, therefore turn and draw. The noun boy is an insult deliberately used to antagonize Romeo, who has just become family. The Alexis injuries suggest that Romeo has hurt his reputation, and as a consequence, he must be avenged. Prince of Cats, coined by the character Mercutio, and the title therefore indicates a cunning and aggressive nature, which is truly apt. What? Art thou draw among these heartless hinds? Turn thee, Benvolio, look upon thy death. The introduction of the character Tybalt here, he is instantly identified as an aggressive figure who has no qualms with injuring others. The metaphor heartless hinds suggests they are female deer, weak and full of fear. The adjective heartless is a pun. A male deer is known as a hart. The quote is also mocking Benvolio for being involved in the conduct of individuals who Tybalt sees as below himself, therefore again demonstrating the superiority the character feels, which is why he takes slander so badly. I will withdraw, but this intrusion shall, now seeming sweet, convert to bitterest gall. This line indicates that the character Tybalt will only become increasingly angry gall, obviously at the refusal of being able to fight with Romeo. The rhyming couplets helps demonstrate the confidence of the character, and the imperative verb shall indicates that the character will be avenged. So there's a plethora of great quotations and analysis that you can include. It's now up to you to make sure you're using them in your essays. So good luck.